What's up, guys? We out here. What we doing today, Ham?
Getting rid of the ignition and the kill switch. Gone. We're getting rid of it.
What are you gonna replace it with?
Jason Benton WOODCRAFT. It's got a start button, power button. Pretty dope. Can't wait. We'll see what that
Let's
is.
do it. Let's do it, baby.
So you follow it down, and this is the kill switch. Spin this little. Will it fit through there? That's the question.
Wiggle.
Oh.
And we have installed the first button. It's gonna go right there. It's gonna look nice. We are drilling the hole in this plastic piece right here. It's part of the fairings.
Starter switch.
The starter switch.
And we're not gonna show you guys where we're gonna hide the main switch. You guys won't see where that's going. No one will. Not even Rev. He's gonna have to call me and ask me, how do I start it? I'm telling you shit. Bleepy.
Nice. So we are using
A reamer. Wait a minute.
reamer.
Don't call it that. That guy got pissed off and told us it's not called. It's not a reamer. This is not called a reamer, guys. This is called a. What did he call it?
A drill hole.
Oh,
A drill bit for holes.
I was like, well, if I put this in your asshole and I turned it on, it'd ream it. Where's the thing at?
On your neck. On your neck.
boy. I got it around my neck so I wouldn't forget where I put it. And guess what I did, guys?
He
I forgot where I put it. I forget my head if it wasn't attached to my body. That's what my mama always told me. Now, guys, I can tell you that this is not going to be big enough.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, gotta go.
Not even Becky.
Thanks to Jason Brenton for coming up with such a great invention. I would love to give him a kiss for it. I don't think he goes like that. But if he did, I would definitely lay a wet kiss on him because that boy came up with some greatness here, guys. And if you have a bike like this, or any kind of bike, she'll make you one. Where's that screw that I told you, bro?
Oh, these washers?
Yeah, the washer. I could measure it with that.
Happy Sunday to everybody.
A hair more.
And the neighbors are cooking some, whatever they're cooking, it smells good.
Smells good. Show them where the other one is at, man. Where you?
Check it out. Let me see. Push it again. On. And off.
Jason Brenton style, baby. Jason Brenton style, baby.
Yay.
JB. Let me see the washer.
When I can't be in the house.
Yay.
Definitely.
We got Lucky in the house.
Lucky. Lucky.
We got Lucky in the house.
Lucky. Lucky.
Begging for food.
Lucky. Come here, baby.
I haven't fed
Say
her.
hi to YouTube. Hi, YouTube. Hi,
She's the
YouTube.
star. I am my girl. Oh, look at Lucky. Such a
She's like a
beautiful
dog,
girl.
you guys.
I got birdie
She
girl.
listens
I
to
love
us.
my Lucky. Lucky. Don't we love you, mama?
Aww. She just had babies too, you can tell.
What do you want help? Do you want help, Lucky?
She's got that.
Huh?
She need a tummy tuck. Look at that.
If you guys want some
That's all the
kitties,
dry milk.
you guys can have some Lucky specials. She's the best cat you'll ever know. She's not faithful though. She'll cheat on you.
She'll cheat on you.
She'll cheat on you with whoever's got food. But she loves me though.
Yes. What's up, guys? So here we have the installment. It's keyless now. Looking nice. Let's hear it start. And that's simple, guys.